Have you ever wondered why some people accumulate wealth while others live stuck in the same financial cycle? The secret is in the decisions they make with their money. Today, I will reveal 10 investments that the rich make and most people ignore. If you want to achieve financial independence, pay attention to each of these points because any one of them can change your financial life forever. Shall we go there? The first investment that differentiates rich from poor is investment in knowledge. While many people spend hours consuming irrelevant content, millionaires are constantly learning. And I'm not just talking about traditional schools and colleges. The rich know that practical learning about money, business, and investments is what really makes the difference. Why is this essential? The rich understand that money without knowledge quickly disappears. Investing in courses, mentors, and finance books allows you to make strategic decisions. Who does not know how money works will always be controlled by someone who knows. Real example: Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, reads about 500 pages per day. He says that knowledge accumulates as compound interest, and it is exactly this which makes it richer and richer. Tip for you to start now: set aside 30 minutes a day to learn about finance, investments, and business. If you do this for a year, your level of knowledge will be much higher than most people. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, reads about 500 pages a day. He says that knowledge accumulates like compound interest, and that's exactly what makes him richer and richer. Tip to get you started now: set aside 30 minutes a day to learn about finance, investing, and business. If you do this for a year, your level of knowledge will be far superior to most people. Passive income, money working for you. Most people work for their money, while the rich make their money work for them. This is one of the fundamental concepts that differentiates millionaires from the middle class and the poor. The secret? Creating multiple sources of passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without having to directly exchange your time for it. This means that even while you sleep, your wealth continues to grow. Those who live on a single salary will always be limited by the time and effort they can dedicate to work. The rich, on the other hand, invest in assets that generate money automatically. The most common examples of passive income include investments in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, book or music royalties, and even online businesses that generate recurring revenue. The strategy is to build a continuous flow of money that reduces the dependence on active work. Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, no longer needs to actively work. He has created an empire that continues to generate billions of dollars even when he is on vacation. Of course, not everyone can create an Amazon, but anyone can start by investing in assets that generate income over time. If you have never invested before, start with dividend-paying stocks or a real estate fund. Even if you have a small amount of money, the important thing is to start building your passive income base as soon as possible. Investing in business, creating real wealth. Many people spend their entire lives working for someone else and never consider building something of their own. The wealthy, on the other hand, know that the greatest returns come from business, not just from jobs. Starting a business may seem risky, but it is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. That doesn't mean you have to start with millions of dollars. Many successful entrepreneurs have started small, testing ideas and reinvesting their profits to grow. Being an entrepreneur allows you to have complete control over your income. While an employee depends on the salary set by the boss, an entrepreneur can scale their profits without limits, depending only on their strategy and execution. Elon Musk began his career as an entrepreneur with Zip2, a software company that he sold for millions of dollars. He reinvested this money in other businesses such as PayPal, Tesla, and SpaceX. The result? He became one of the richest people in the world. If you don't have the capital to open a traditional business, start online. Creating an e-commerce, selling digital products, or providing services are great ways to enter the world of entrepreneurship with a low investment. Real estate, the concrete wealth of millionaires. If you analyze the fortunes of the richest people in the world, you will see that most have part of their assets invested in real estate. This is because real estate offers security and constant appreciation over time. Unlike volatile investments, such as stocks and cryptocurrencies, real estate has the advantage of generating monthly cash flow through rents and also appreciates in value over time. This is one of the reasons why millionaires invest heavily in this sector. Many people think they need millions to get started, but that's not true. There are options like real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate crowdfunding, and even finance purchases that allow you to invest with less upfront capital. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, built his wealth primarily by investing in real estate. He realized that buying properties to rent out was one of the surest ways to ensure a steady and growing passive income. If you can't afford to buy a property right now, start investing in real estate funds. You can earn money from rentals and market appreciation without having to manage a physical property. Networking, the social capital of the rich. Have you ever heard the phrase, your network is your net worth? Millionaires understand that relationships are worth more than money. The rich surround themselves with successful people because they know that opportunities come through connections. When you are around people who think big, you learn from them and have access to doors that would never be open otherwise. Networking is not just about meeting rich people. It is about building genuine and strategic relationships. This can be done by attending events, business groups, mentoring sessions, and even interacting on social media with influential professionals. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett became great friends and shared knowledge that helped them make strategic decisions for their businesses. This exchange of ideas between brilliant minds is one of the reasons why they continue to grow in wealth. Invest time in building valuable connections. Attend events in your field, join online communities, and most importantly, be someone who adds value to others. Investing in health, the most precious resource. What's the point of being rich if you don't have health to enjoy? Millionaires know that the greatest investment they can make is in their own body and mind. A healthy mind makes better financial decisions. A healthy body allows more energy to undertake and innovate. That's why the rich invest heavily in food, physical exercise, medical checkups, and even therapies to maintain mental clarity. While many people neglect their health because of work, the rich do the opposite. They understand that the better your health, the greater your productivity and longevity will be to continue creating wealth. Jeff Bezos exercises daily and follows a balanced diet. He believes that maintaining a strong body is essential to continue making high-level strategic decisions. Exercise regularly, sleep well, and take care of your diet. Small changes in your routine can have a huge impact on your energy and mental clarity. Technology, the future of wealth. Millionaires are always one step ahead when it comes to technology. They know that the biggest financial opportunities lie in innovations. Investing in technology can mean buying shares in innovative companies, learning about artificial intelligence, cryptocurrencies, or even creating a digital business. The world is increasingly digital, and those who don't keep up with this evolution are left behind. The rich don't wait for opportunities to pass them by. They take the lead and bet on the future before anyone else. Mark Zuckerberg invested heavily in the metaverse before most people even understood the concept. He knows that those who enter an innovative sector first reap the greatest profits in the long run. Study emerging technologies and look for ways to invest in them. This could be through courses, shares in innovative companies, or creating a digital business. Finally, the biggest investment of the rich is not money, but time. They understand that time is a limited resource and therefore prioritize what really matters. Millionaires delegate tasks they don't need to do, focus on activities that bring high returns, and avoid distractions that consume energy without generating value. Steve Jobs wore simple clothes every day to avoid wasting time on trivial decisions. This small habit allowed him to focus his energy on more important decisions. Analyze how you are using your time. Eliminate unproductive activities and direct your focus to actions that truly generate financial and personal growth. If you've made it this far, you've already taken an important step toward changing your mindset and starting to build real wealth. Now, the difference between those who stay in the same place and those who achieve success is in the action. So choose at least one of these strategies and start applying it today. Subscribe to the channel now. Activate the bell so you don't miss any videos and share this content with someone who needs this change. See you in the next video.